So, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, it is my great pleasure and privilege to welcome you all to this very joyous occasion, the very first of hopefully many Harbour Circle Symposiums, organized by the Hong Kong Maritime Museum in close collaboration with Social Ventures Hong Kong and Sonova, and with the dear support of the Swire Trust. I'm deeply grateful to all of you who have spent so much time and effort to put this event together. This afternoon we convene in the brand new theatre, one of 3 new spaces recently constructed with the much appreciated funding from the Swire Trust. The other 2 spaces are an expansion of gallery space on A deck and a learning centre on our ground floor. All these spaces, collectively referred to as the Swire Marine Discovery Centre, are primarily created to host programs related to marine sciences, enhancing awareness amongst our audiences for the importance of marine conservation, preservation of ocean life, creating a sustainable future for a green planet and a blue ocean. This afternoon we are in good company, as many specialists in the field related to our marine ecology, as well as leaders in culture, sustainability and social innovation, have gathered to share their visions and ideas about marine conservation and how we can, and maybe even should, work together. There are 3 panel discussions, as you may have noticed in the program, with their focus shifting from the planet, panel 1, to the ocean, panel 2, and the city, Hong Kong, panel 3. Seeking cross-sectoral collaboration, formulating common objectives, and creating energy. These are big words, and yet the 3 key components that form the foundation for the program that we have compiled. In September, I attended a meeting of the ICMM, the International Congress of Maritime Museums, with a very diverse program. The good news was that the organizers reserved half a day to address the question of how maritime museums globally could and should take a stand in the societal discourses about the sustainable future for the planet, and more specifically for the ocean. The bad news is that most initiatives were a one-off, temporary commitment via a lecture series or an exhibition, frequently organized solely by the museum, so without much interference of or collaboration with other sectors. One could even state very critically that in some cases something was done about climate change or marine wildlife because it's fashionable to do so, and it's fundable nowadays as well. With our Swire Marine Discovery Centre and with you, our fellow idealists, where it relates to marine conservation, the Hong Kong Maritime Museum seeks to create long-term commitment and make marine science part of our DNA, which until recently was primarily composed of elements that referred to maritime history and maritime art. I see this afternoon's symposium as a great start to deepen our contacts with like-minded people. With you, and through your support and expertise, we hope to shift our paradigm and add to our axioma, that is, to educate audiences about life on and with the ocean, to add to all of that a new factor, emphasizing life in the ocean, and what we can do to conserve that source, so crucial to our daily needs and existence. I look forward to a very fruitful symposium with inspiring discussions amongst panelists, but also with you, the audience. I now happily give the floor to Ms. Tina Chen, Group Head of Philanthropy, John Swire & Sons Hong Kong Limited, to share with us her welcoming remarks. You're great.